Hey guys, my Milwaukee M18 circuit saw just stopped working. The light will come on when you press a button, but nothing. I've been told by Milwaukee that's a power switch, but I'm really getting tired of sending tools into Milwaukee. I mean, they are great with their warranty and all that. I appreciate that, but I want to use the tool and not always be sending them into Milwaukee for repair. So, I don't know. At least they look at it and take care of you. Unlike Snap-on, they just tell you, oh, go buy another one. We don't care. We're not going to take care of you. So that's a good thing about Milwaukee at least. But it gets exhausting when it's like 7 to 15 power tools. So, and especially when you really need to use the power tool. So, yeah, guys, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And if you want to reach out to Milwaukee and tell them about this, and tell them to contact N.R.T. not only to ask about the issue, but to tell them I would like to be sponsored by them. Even though when I have problems with their tools, they do take care of me every time I ask, no matter what the issue is, or they try to resolve the issue, and that's what matters. Catch you on the next one.